What's up everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we have lesson number 7, which is how to draw realistic ear. And for this I have already prepared mechanical pencil, 2H from Faber Castell 9000, B as well, number 2 for blending stump, dry brush, and I will using in this ear drawing two type of eraser. I will using Faber Castell eraser pencil and also Tombow Mono Zero eraser. Thank you very much for all your support, guys. Hope you enjoyed the previous videos and now you know a bit about how to draw realistic. So let's start with the ear. For the beginning, to start to draw an ear, first of all, and very easy, also very light, guys, so you can erase after that, we draw an E. Just follow my steps. So this will be for helix area on top, and this will be for the lobule on the bottom, and one in the middle. So exactly like an E. Now if we have this E, we draw number 7, so we have already the line for number 7, and we're coming with this for number 7. You will see very easy and good tip to draw realistic ear, tutorials by Raul. Now we know where to work the ear. We cross over a few lines, so I start on this corner and also on this corner, so I know the ear should be round. Again, one here, and of course for the lobule here. Now we need to find the center. How to find the center? Exactly in the middle of these two crossing lines. We're going in the middle of these two crossing lines, okay? If you can't do very straight, take something to draw straight, but it's not very hard to do, so do your best. Now we start to make the shape of the ear. We're starting with the basics where the ear should be. Now we can press in with the pencil a little bit, as you can see my way to draw. Because we have already the shapes, we know how to do and where to go now with the pencil. Also very light, guys, so we can erase when we need. Just draw a random ear. Imagine how can be an original ear. We have the shape, guys, so now we're drawing the shape from inside of the ear, starting from external audio canal, as any ears have this. Take your time and follow my video so you can learn very easy way to draw realistic ear. And for other tutorials already on YouTube, how to draw eyes, mouth, nose, anything you like. And we're working now for the helix area. Of course we need some shape lines here. And we finish somewhere here. Okay guys, so we have the perfect shape for the ear, and now everything will be made by shading, very easy shading. So we're changing the pencil and we're going on to H pencil, and we're starting from the helix area and we're shading very light. Also guys, when you're shading, keep your pencil flat in your palm and make sure it's sharp. I think you know already about the gradients and the changing of the grades through the pencils to achieve very nice smooth shading. Now we're working on the ear drawing with the same procedure by shade. Here you can use cotton buds if you like, or painting brush, dry and soft, even with toilet paper. But I prefer blending stump because it gives me good smooth texture. Follow my steps for shading. We're going small circles, guys. And now shade very light. I will erase this bottom side so I can shade easier and softer. Also guys, now we don't need the middle line. We have already the shape of the ear, and I will shade this on top, keeping the cross inside, okay? Everything, all shapes from outside, so we erase everything to let the perfect shape of the ear more visible. I will erase this one as well. Actually, now we erase everything unnecessary parts, so everything we don't need, we erase, so we can work perfectly with the ear. We are go back to shading, starting from the bottom. I'm still on to H, guys, but if you like, you can do this part with mechanical pencil if you like. Try to use 0.5 grip with 2B or 4B. And now we're taking blending stump, and we blend by circles, and try to combine with the white paper so you can build a gradient. As I told you before, you can use on this part cotton buds, but I think it will take longer. And of course we're working on helix area, very smooth as you can see, only with 2H and blending stump. Now we can blend the outline. How to blend the outline I show in a previous video. Smooth and slowly movement to make the ear more realistic. And now on the bottom as well. And now we're changing the grade. I'm going on B grade now, and I'm shading only when I need darker. Very small with small circles, and very soft with sharp pencil. It will be some highlights on this side of the ear to make the ear more realistic. Now we're using a little bit on the helix area to getting darker this side. Actually now we're looking to make a gradient, making to look more realistic. I like to teaching you guys how to use in the right way your pencil to work like a professional artist, and of course to don't break the paper. You may break the paper when you put more details, but if you work correctly, you won't break the paper. Okay, now we come back with blending stump. We blend very smooth and try to mix the graphite with the white paper so you will build a gradient. In this way you make ear round and realistic. It will be some highlights on the top as well, so we're not working on the highlights now. And we blend this on the bottom, of course mixing with white paper. When you blend, keep your blending stump flat in your palm, bend a little bit and do small circles till you're happy with the blend. Okay, now we can go further and we work inside of the ear with the same B grade, or you can use mechanical pencil. I will take mechanical pencil because in this area will be darker, so for the faster work we use mechanical pencil, and by circles we will shading very slowly so I can put more realistic details. Always when you draw, try to use your imagination, guys. Sometimes your reference photo will be blurred or is not very clearly, so just imagine how you can put more details. This is my advice, so you can upgrade your skill. If you need darker, go with the mechanical pencil in more layers, as I do now. Okay, now I will explain, guys, why I let this cross visible. So I know where the ear coming, so I draw very light. First I build the shape, always will be the middle ear here. Now we can erase unnecessary part using Tombow Mono Zero eraser. And clean your paper. Now very smooth and very soft shade inside of the ear, and we're looking to combine with the white paper till we build a gradient through this both sides. Just follow my steps. Now I will build the gradient here so I can go close with the realism. As you can see, I can put a lot of details and I can shade also very easy with mechanical pencil. I used to work with mechanical pencil, it's very easy to use. Now guys, we can start to blend this area, so make more realistic part of the ear. How to blend this? We're taking from the dark to light, okay? First blend the shape, and we're mixing with the white paper slowly. Don't worry, you don't need to put more graphite, because the blending stump doing everything. If you're doing step by step, as I do. If you work on a portrait, guys, don't forget very important things to cover your work with white paper. I'm not covering now because it's small paper, so you don't need. I'm working on a clipboard. Now I have a gradient and I make the perfect shape for the ear. If you need to put more details, more shadows, you can bring. If you're happy with this, you can let like this. I'm always looking to put more details, so with every portrait I draw, I'm trying to put more details so I can make the perfect portrait. Okay, we're done with this area, and now we keep going for upper area with the same mechanical pencil. We're shading from inside to build a gradient through these sides. Very soft, small circles with mechanical pencil. Here is no reason to work with 2H or B grade. We need more darker. So if you work with 2H, the reason is you're wasting your time. Slowly add some graphite on the white paper in the middle so you can build the small gradients here to make the perfect shape. Now draw darker this area and shade inside very light. I'm coming now with blending stump again, and I will blend to make the perfect shape of the ear. As you can see, I transform the line a bit round using blending stump, and slowly mix together with the middle of the shading so you can build a gradient. Try to draw perfect shape, guys, and try to learn how to work with pencils. And now only with blending stump, we're blending the middle line, but very soft, building a gradient. How to do this? Small circles from the line. As you can see, I'm not touching the middle because I need to make more realistic. And from the other side as well, the same thing. That I call blending. And very soft in the middle, just very soft. Be careful to don't press the blending stump here. I will come in with more mechanical pencil here in the corner, so I can make the shadow more visible. Don't forget guys, big announcement, next lesson will be how to draw realistic hair. If you're interested to learn this, don't forget to subscribe on my channel and about the bell notification so you know when the videos come out. Now again we're blending this, and if you're done we can go further. I'll show you how to shade the upper side of the ear where the helix area is, very soft with mechanical pencil. Also if you see I'm working a lot with mechanical pencil, it gives me very good smooth texture, and also I can come in darker area when I need by pressing and controlling the mechanical pencil. Now very soft we build a triangle here, and of course on the line darker, looking to make more realistic. I'm Raul Art, admin on Graphite Pencil by Raul Art. Don't forget to enjoy and learn to draw on my group so you can upgrade your skill. Now we're blending this. Also we're looking to mix the dark with the white paper, building a gradient as well. Do by small circles and very light till you build a gradient again on the bottom. Make this round as well. As I told you before, you can use this part with cotton bud if you like, but I like to teach you how to use blending stump for blending. As you can see, I'm going slowly close till I get my favorite skin on a ear. And we're taking now the upper side. So again, following my steps and try to learn how to press and when to press with mechanical pencil to build a perfect shape for the ear. Before to press, make sure you're shading everything you want to blend. I'm coming darker, controlling the mechanical pencil everywhere where I need. And I'm shading slowly by circles till I'm happy with the form. How to make more realistic ear, adding more details step by step. Where I let highlights, they help me a lot for the perfect shape of the ear. So don't forget to work with the highlights, make more realistic work. Slowly here, darker, just a little bit to make the perfect shape of the ear. Always guys, eye on a reference photo so you will see you can draw anything if you respect everything in the picture. Now we're blending this area, starting from the middle line, but very soft, and combine with the other side to make the gradient as well. As you can see, I'm going slowly till I mix everything. Very helpful this blending stump guys. Try to use in your artwork, make more realistic portraits. Now as you can see, I'm going slowly to combine the graphite with white paper, looking to mixing, and I build a perfect gradient. How to mix? Adding graphite on the white paper slowly by circles till you make the perfect shape. I will finish this lesson soon, so it's not very hard lesson to learn how to draw realistic ear tutorials by Raul Art. Don't forget about details when you finish using eraser. If you're happy with the shape, you can go further to make the details. If you still have something to work, just stay on your portrait and draw more details. Now shading this, but very light. It will be the skin and prepare for the hair side. As you can see guys, there's a lot of things to learn about how to use the pencils and how many beautiful things they can do if you know how to use them. Now on this area you can use toilet paper very easy because it's bigger size, so don't worry, you can share with toilet paper. Today we're not drawing the skin, so I will let like this. It's about the ear process, so now you know how to draw realistic an ear. I'm using toilet paper for this small side of shading. Also, if you have time, you can use cotton buds, but it's not reason for that, it's a wasting time. You will see very nice trick for drawing hair in hair tutorials, so hope you like my tutorials. You have a lot of things to learn from me. Thank you very much for that. So guys, now I will teach you how to make more realistic this ear, because this is what we're looking to learn, how to do realistic. We put some more shadow here, because we need more shadow. And remember guys, this is my way to draw and I'm happy with this. Again, blending stump, very smooth and very helpful. As you can see, I'm going slowly till I combine with the white paper to make the perfect shape of the ear. Blend everything, don't let white, only some small highlights by circles. Also we need something here. And for the final step, guys, to make more realistic ear, as I told you before, we're using Tombow Mono Zero, or sometimes I'm use this Faber Castell pencil. If you don't have Faber Castell, I will use Tombow Mono Zero for highlights. So let's come in with highlights now. Also guys, don't forget about brush to clean the paper to make the highlights more visible. Now you see why I laid these highlights before, so I can make the perfect shape. And now guys, I will show you how you can make more realistic this here, because that's what we learn. And this will be the last step for today. And thank you for watching for today. With the same eraser, we're dotting the skin of the ear to make the perfect skin and more realistic. As I show in mouth tutorial, as well you can see this technique. Turn your eraser in all sides to make more interesting highlights on the ear. Big thank again for everything and for supporting my art. I'm Raul Art on YouTube, Raul_UK08 on Instagram, and Graphite Pencil by Raul Art on Facebook. If you really want to love to draw, and if you really want to learn, I have more tutorials coming. Now we're adding some dots on the other side, so make the ear more interesting and more realistic. Hope you like my tutorials, guys. Easy to learn how to draw realistic ear. Now if you have a draw portrait and if you have a female or something like with earring, just dotting a little bit and you can build very easy earring, making to looking 3D more realistic. Thank you very much, guys, and see you with the next tutorial. That's the way I'm drawing ear, guys. Take care and stay safe. Bye bye.